products. Yes. Oh. Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel, Joy Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, you guys, I will be showing y'all my favorite skin products of 2020. Now they're probably not from exactly like 2020, but as far as now, these are the products that I use currently that I like using more than most products. So let's jump into, before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I have equally 10 products for you guys and I'm glad about that. So the first product, which of course these are not in order, so don't think that I like any of these least or better than others, it's just my order that I'm picking. So the first item that I have is this 24K gold foil moisturizer from Fascia, I guess that's how you say the brand name, and it comes in this cute little black and gold box, and I will open it of course so you guys can see the container. And it's this real expensive looking container. And of course it has the name on the front. And actually it is I use it as a facial moisturizer, like after I wash my face and stuff. It has like little bits of gold specks in it. You can really see it if you look closely. But actually I didn't purchase this myself. I actually won it in a giveaway on YouTube. I entered one of my fellow YouTubers giveaway and I won a bunch of her products. So this was one of the products that I won and I love it. It's so, it leaves my face really soft, like really soft. It feels so moisturized, like I've been putting on a whole bunch of this at once. And really you don't need that much at all to feel moisturized. And so far this stuff has lasted me a pretty long time and it's not even halfway gone. So that's one product. The next product I have is this Water Flash Coconut Water Cream Hydration Boosting from Avette. And this is another product that I won in her giveaway. It was just like a little, it probably is like a sample, like a little sample, but it is a lot in there. It just comes out white. So yeah, I also use this for my face, like after I wash my face, or if I just like put a hot rag on my face, I just put that on because it doesn't really leave like a shine or anything. It's just a simple hydration type of moisturizer. Third product that I have is this Lip Medics Bliss Sticks, and I love Bliss Sticks. Honestly, I just started using this stuff, but I love it to death. I got this from Family Dollar for $1, so you can see that I've used a lot of it because it was all the way at the top. So yeah, and the main reason I love this stuff is because it's so moisturizing and it leaves like a little tingle and it tastes like peppermint. So that's why I love this product. Okay you guys, so the third product that I have is this body scrub. I don't know if it's leaking or not, but it has stuff on the outside of it. It's really get on my nerves. It's so sticky. But it's you know, I don't even know how to say, I'm not even gonna attempt to. But it's a rose, it's a shea sugar scrub. It's by Tree Hut. They sell these at a lot of places. They sell these on Amazon, they sell these at Walmart, they sell these at Target, they sell these at Harris Teeter, they sell these everywhere. Honestly, I really did see the hype on it on Facebook, but I didn't think it was really that good. I had never tried a body scrub before, so I didn't really see like you know, the reason behind it. But I tried it. I mean, I do like it, but I don't like it that much. Honestly, I like the one that I made. It was actually better in my opinion. But the thing is, the reason I'm not showing you guys mine is because it's basically all gone. I only have like this much left. So I have to make some more in order for it to be worth showing on camera. But yeah, like I do like body scrubs now. Okay, so next item that I have is this oatmeal and shea butter body wash. And this stuff smells really good. It's very natural, and I feel like it's more so for people with, you know, sensitive skin. Soothes and hydrates dry skin, gentle cleansing for soft, smooth skin. Actually I got that from someone. They gave it to me because I guess they didn't want it. But usually I would get my body washes from like Bath and Body Works. But I'm not really hip on body washes because I usually just use Dove soap, because Dove soap is really for people with sensitive skin and it's unscented, and I just feel like it's just better for me. But actually I do really love it though. Like you can see, like it's all the way at the bottom, but I don't know where they sell that at. I'm not really sure, but I do know that, you know, like Family Dollar, Dollar General, like stores period, have different body washes that you can purchase. So once that is all gone, I'll just go back and get me a different kind or whatever. But yeah, I like it. Next item that I have is this 100% African shea butter. Now the thing is, this was 100%, but it's not anymore, because I actually did use the base to make my own. So this is mine, and it actually is pretty soft, and it goes really smooth on the skin. So, and it leaves like a little mild shine, and it smells delicious. Like, even though it's not to eat, it smells delicious. It smells like something good to eat, something sweet. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link down below. So the next item that I have is this Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. So this is what it looks like, and I have used it a couple of times. I guess it has rose petals in it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And I probably use it like maybe 3 times on my face, but I have been using it for my boyfriend because I usually give him a facial or whatnot when he comes over here. But I got this from the same giveaway that I told you about the other 2 items. So yeah, but this is really good on the face, especially if you love like mask. It'll be really good for you. Next item I have that most of us females cannot think about. Now this is, of course, I'm not gonna say it's my favorite product, but it's definitely one of my favorites because I just love it, like the way it looks and everything. But yeah, so I have this lip gloss. This is Honey Gloss Cherry, and I actually got this from the beauty supply store for only 99 cents. I actually have another one, it's purple. But yeah, I love lip gloss so much, because I mean, honey, you cannot go wrong with some lip gloss, like please. Can't go wrong with no lip gloss. Lip gloss is the best. It's the bomb. And I actually do have a lip gloss collection video, so I will also leave that down below so you guys can see everything I have. I don't remember if this is in my video or not because I had just bought this, but I do have some more lip glosses, so I probably will do a part 2 sooner or later. Next item that I have is Vaseline Cocoa Butter Petroleum Jelly, and I love this stuff. I've been using this for years, like for years. I remember I would literally carry this big tube to school because this is what I used to put on my lips all the time, because I feel like my lips were the most moisturized when I would use Vaseline. But now I just use lip gloss. This is before I really had any lip gloss. I didn't really know where to get lip gloss from or who really sold the best lip gloss, because beauty supply store lip gloss is really not as good as people make it up to be. I would prefer like people that make their own lip gloss at home because they make it more precise, and you know, it's, you know, cruelty free and stuff like that. But yeah, I love this. I usually put it on my face now. I don't really put it on my lips as much anymore, but yeah, I still love this. Sometimes I might even put it on my body. I mean, it really just depends on my mood. And last but not least, the last product I have is my body shimmer oil, and I'm just going to shake it up so you guys can see what it looks like, because that's just the oil. The stuff always sinks to the bottom after a few hours or so because I'm not using it. It's just sitting. All you have to do before you use it is just shake it back up, and it'll easily just mix. And I actually will be selling these soon for my business. If you guys don't follow my business page on Instagram, I will leave that down below, and I will put a picture up so you guys can see. This is body shimmer oil, and it's really pretty on the skin. It's very moisturizing, and it smells wonderful, like, girl, period. But I'm just gonna put a little bit on so you guys can see what it looks like. It's very goldish like, so that's what it looks like. And the name of this is Venic. So this is just like my own personal test tube. I just did it just to see what it would look like. And I just got this little container from Walmart for like 95 cents, I think. But yeah, I definitely will be selling those soon. Once I get my business, you know, jumping or whatever. I am trying to change a few things around, you know, rebrand and stuff like that. But I won't give too many details out because it's going to be a big surprise or whatever for people that really support me and that want to buy my items and stuff like that. Because I just want it to be like a grand opening. So you guys will be surprised to see. That's basically the end of this video. That's all the products I really have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really quick, cool video to do. If you are new here and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.